Welcome to Clear the Way Prep Week. So Prep Week is your preparation. So this week we've set up for you to get really familiar with the program. So you'll see there is a video at the beginning that's actually a longer video. It's about 45 minutes, and Dr. Deb Kern and I created that to go over the science of what digestion detox is all about. We thought that would really help you get familiar with what the cornerstone of this program really is. And then there's a shorter video, just about 6 minutes, where Dr. Deb talks about what this program is about, the 3 cornerstone keys that are part of what we're doing here, which is sugar, digestion, and detoxification. So be sure to watch those 2 videos and then download your reflections. Each week you'll be doing a reflection, which is just to look at body symptoms and look at where you are right now, and that's a really good one to share with your coach. So in this module, in the prep week, you'll see lots of downloadable files. So this is where you download them if you like to print them out and have them ready. It is your daily schedule that you're going to be looking at constantly. Shopping lists, meal plans, recipes, even an eating out guide. So lots of guides that really will help you in this whole program. So this is where you get really prepared. We've also got some other videos about movement and yoga, and it's sequenced in a way that you're going to become very familiar with week to week. So all you have to do this week is get ready, and I'll see you in week 1.